if you have not watched the video on synchronizing Chrome, please go watch that first. You always want to use Google Chrome, not Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. If you are on a Google screen, you will see a waffle. Click the waffle, click Gmail. Some people call this the 9 dot, or if you mouse over it, it says Google Apps. I think there's some other words, 9 other things, 9 dots or something, but I call it the waffle. The kids are used to the word waffle. Gmail here. Compose a new email. Things are running a little slow today. Address, subject, body, your teacher's email address is their first name, period, last name, @canyoncityschools.org. You probably have an email here from your teacher that you can just click on. Let's say this is from my teacher. I click on that. At the bottom, you can simply click reply, and it'll send it straight back to your teacher. This has been replied to a few times, so this is what a conversation looks like. This is the original email. This is a reply. This is another reply back. Then if you click reply, it'll go back to the original person. Now, if you click reply, oops, I clicked the wrong thing. If you click reply all, it'll go to everybody that this email was sent to, which in this case is every person in the world, apparently. So you don't want to do that. So always be aware, if you click reply all, you might be replying back to like all of the students in the class if the teacher sent the email to everybody in the class. Come back here. Now, if you're on a different page of some sort, if you're not on a Google page, you won't see the waffle. So see it's not there. So you have to get to some Google, anything. You can click on Google Classroom. I think this will work. Yeah, there it is. Let's see. Let's make sure Gmail is in there. Yep, there it is. If you just type in Google, that will work. Google.com will work. There it is. Anything Google will have the waffle. So you just have to get to some Google page. You can just search for Gmail. You can just type in, I just typed in G and it auto-filled, but if you type in gmail.com, it will take you to Gmail. You can just search up here for Gmail and then click on it in your search results and you can get to it. Make sure you're synced. You'll know you're synced if you see the first letter of your first name here. And if you mouse over, you'll see your email address. It's in your name. So just make sure that you're synced for all this to work. If you're using a Chromebook, you don't need to worry about syncing. If you're using a Windows device, you need to sync.